There's nothing quite like waking up and feeling that your skin actually rested with you. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we keep skincare honest, informed, and real. If dry, tight, or rough skin has been undoing all your efforts, this one's worth your attention. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to Beautyistic and tap that bell so you never miss a beauty breakdown that could change your routine. This is the Freeman Rich Cream plus Overnight Leave-On Moisturizing Face Mask. It's designed as a 2-in-1 product, working both as a daily face cream and as an overnight leave-on mask, specifically formulated to hydrate, soothe, and support dry or stressed skin. The texture and formulation are geared toward moisture recovery rather than instant cosmetic glow, which already tells me this is more about skin health than hype. At the heart of this formula are hyaluronic acid and magnesium. Hyaluronic acid is a well-known humectant that helps draw water into the skin, supporting hydration levels and reducing that uncomfortable tight feeling. Magnesium plays a calming role, which is especially useful for skin that feels irritated or reactive. Supporting ingredients like glycerin and fatty acids help reinforce the skin barrier, while a pH buffer keeps the formula skin-friendly over time. It's dermatologist-tested and positioned as safe for all skin types, including sensitive and breakout-prone skin, which is important for a product that's meant to sit on the skin overnight. In real-world use, this is a very straightforward product, which I actually appreciate. I tested it both ways, as a night cream and as an overnight leave-on mask. As a nightly moisturizer, it spreads easily, doesn't require excessive rubbing, and immediately softens the skin. The texture is rich but not greasy, and it absorbs more slowly than a lightweight gel, which is exactly what you want if your skin tends to lose moisture overnight. As an overnight mask, I applied a slightly thicker layer, and by morning, my skin felt noticeably smoother and more comfortable, especially around areas that usually feel dry, like the cheeks and around the mouth. What stood out during testing was how calming this felt. There was no tingling, no warmth, no redness creeping in, which is a big win for anyone with sensitive or barrier-compromised skin. That said, if you're someone who prefers an ultra-light, barely there finish, this may feel a bit rich, especially during daytime use on oilier skin types. Used sparingly during the day, though, it does work well as a hydration boost under sunscreen. The strengths here are clear. It delivers reliable hydration, supports the skin barrier, and does exactly what it claims without unnecessary fragrance drama or irritation. The formula is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and free from common offenders like parabens, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, and mineral oils. On the downside, this isn't a treatment product. You're not getting exfoliating acids, retinoids, or brightening actives. So if you're looking for dramatic skin transformation, this is meant to support your routine, not replace targeted treatments. Quick pause. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to value, this sits comfortably in the affordable skincare category. The ingredient list is well thought out for dry and sensitive skin, the jar size is practical for regular use, and the dual-purpose nature adds to its overall value. You're essentially getting a daily moisturizer and an overnight mask in one product, which makes the price feel justified, especially for those who don't want to overcomplicate their routine. Compared to other rich creams and overnight masks on the market, this holds its own by focusing on barrier support and hydration rather than trend-driven actives. Higher-end alternatives may include additional peptides or ceramides, but they often come with a much higher price tag. If your main concern is moisture and comfort rather than advanced correction, this does the job without overcharging you. The packaging is simple but functional. The jar feels sturdy, the lid seals well, and the cream itself remains stable with consistent texture over time. Because this is a leave-on product used frequently, that consistency matters. In terms of longevity, a little goes a long way, especially when used as a night cream. So one jar can easily last several weeks depending on application style. Freeman as a brand has a solid reputation for accessible, cruelty-free skincare. And while I didn't need to interact with customer support personally, The brand is generally known for being responsive and transparent about ingredients and usage. If you're on a tighter budget or prefer lighter textures, gel-based moisturizers with hyaluronic acid can offer hydration at a lower price, but they may not provide the same level of overnight comfort for very dry skin. On the other hand, if your skin is extremely dry or compromised, spending more on a ceramide-heavy cream could make sense, though not everyone needs that level of intensity. So here's the bottom line. This product does exactly what it promises. It hydrates, soothes, and supports the skin barrier without irritation or unnecessary extras. It's best suited for dry, sensitive, or dehydration-prone skin, especially if you want a reliable overnight option that won't overwhelm your routine. It's not flashy, but it's effective, and sometimes that's exactly what your skin needs. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to this product in the comments or description box below. And if you've already tried this cream, drop a comment and tell us how it worked for your skin. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.